Next one, exercise 1.2 in first question. Using associative property, simplify the following. Here 64 plus 26 plus 74 plus 36. B question, minus 8 of into 53 into minus 125. Here find out the answer. First one, 64 plus 26 plus 74 plus 36. You know normal addition. Now you take last digit. Here 4 having, here 6. 4 plus 6 10. There 0 coming. Here 4 plus 6 also 0 coming. This like having very easily for associative property adding. 64 plus 26 plus 74 plus 36. 6 plus 4 10. Remainder 1. 2 here 6 7. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 1 9. Here 4 plus 6 10. Remainder 1. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 1 11. Here 90 plus 110 having. You added 110. Here 90. 0. Here also 0. Remainder 1. 1 plus 1 2. Total 200. This is for associative property. Simplify the answer. Second one. Here multiplication having minus 8 into 53 into minus 125. B question. Minus 8 into 53 into minus 125. Here also you take last digit. Here 8 having, here 3. 8 3 is 24. Next 8 5 is 40. There 0 coming. So this one multiply after this one. Minus 8 into minus 125 into 53. These two multiply now. Minus 8 into minus 125. Minus into minus, plus coming. 8 into 125. 125 into 8. 8 5 is 40. Remainder 4. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 20. 0 remainder 2. 8 1 is 8 plus 2 10. Answer 1000 coming. 1000 into 53. Now easily multiply. Here 30 here added. 53,000. This is answer. This is for associative property. Simply the following. This is very easy. Second question. Calculate the value of expression on both sides. Are they equal? Give reason. A, B, C. Here 3 sums having. First one. A minus 17 plus minus 4 plus of minus 3 equal to minus 17 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 3. This one, you know, properties of closure property addition. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This both sides equal or not equal, now check. Minus 17 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 3. Plus having here minus, plus into minus, minus. So minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 17 plus having here minus, plus into minus, minus 4 plus of minus 3. Just check. Minus 17 plus minus 4 minus 3 having minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 equal to minus 17 here minus 4 I mean both are negative integers. You add it minus 17 minus 4 minus 21 plus of minus 3 this one here write it minus 17 here plus having inside minus plus into minus minus so minus 17 minus 7 equal to minus 21 plus into minus here plus here minus plus into minus minus here 3 in both value minus 17 minus 7 total minus 24 equal to minus 21 here minus 3 both are negative integers so here also minus 24 this equal side is same value. Next one B 346 minus 247 equal to 247 minus 346. This what property? This is commutative property. A minus B equal to B minus A. You know. Now these two subtract. 346 minus 247. Here 6, here 7. Here small value, here big value. We take borrow. 3, here 16. 16 minus 7, 9. Next 3, here 4. Here small value, here big value. We take borrow. Here 2, here 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Here 2, here 2. 0. The big value symbol plus. So this one 99 equal to this here 247 minus 346 sorry. Here write it big value of minus 346 plus 247. Here also same you take it big value, small value here big value take borrow. Now answer here 9. Here also take it borrow. Here 13 minus 4, 9. Here 2 minus 2, 0. Here big value minus. So minus 99. Here 99 equal to minus 99. This is equal. This is for not equal. Therefore commutative property is not true for which one this one? Subtraction. So commutative property is not true for subtraction. So this is not equal. Next one C7. 76 minus 16 minus 20 equal to 76 minus of 16 minus 20. These both are equal or not equal now find out. Yes, 76 minus 16 I mean. 76 minus 16 answer 60 minus 20 equal to here 76 minus of here 16 I mean. Here minus 20 I mean. 16 minus 20 answer minus 4. Here plus here minus 60 minus 20 40 here plus value here big value symbol plus equal to 76 here minus inside also minus into minus plus 76 plus 4 plus 40 equal to here 76 plus 4 80. Here 40 having 80. This is equal. This is for not equal. This is for associative property now. A plus of B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This is for associative property. But here fully negative coming. This is for addition. Next one subtraction. A minus of B minus C equal to A minus B minus C. So This is for true. This is for not equal. Therefore, associative property is not true for this one. Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. This is for the example. Third one, fill up the blanks and name the property. First question, minus 7 plus 4 equal to dash plus minus 7. Here a plus b equal to b plus a value minus 7, b value 4. So a plus b, here b plus a, b value here, what coming here? 4. 4 plus minus 7. Minus 7 plus 4 equal to 4 plus of minus 7. This is what property? Commutative property. Second one, minus 8 plus 0 equal to what coming here answer? Minus 8 plus 0. 0 add any number, same number coming. That is what property? Additive identity. Additive identity. Here 9 into minus 7 equal to minus 7 into, here what coming? 9. So 9 into minus 7 into 9. This is what property? Commutative property. Yes, 6 plus of minus 4 plus 2 equal to dash plus of minus 4 plus 2. A plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. This one for associative property. Here what coming answer? 6. Next one, 9 into 8 into 2 equal to 9 into dash into 2. Here 8. So a into b into c equal to a into b into c. This is for associative property. Next one, 7 into, here what number put it? Yes, 7 coming. Here 0, 0 having. Here 1, 7 into 1, 7. This is 1. This what property means? Multiplicative identity. Next one, minus 8 into, here dash put it, minus 8 coming. Here 1. 1, 8 is 8. Minus here plus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 8. This also same multiplicative identity.